The Reggae Boyz were denied victory against the United States in their CONCACAF Final Round World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium a short while ago. The two ended 1-1. Here now are the highlights.
The Jamaican, here is a great play by Tim Weah. A 1-2 with Ricardo Pepe, and then the shot. No chance for Andre Blake. Bad coverage by Bobby Reed, but then Michael Antonio decided to take things to his own hands. Or his right foot. Look at this shot. Top corner. Nothing Zach Steffen could have done.
But the result could have been different for the Reggae Boyz, who thought they had the points in the bag, only for Damian Lowe's header to be ruled out. It's still unclear as to why the goal was not given, as video evidence does not show a foul on the play. Meanwhile, 3 other games will be played in the CONCACAF Final Round qualifying this evening. Panama will host El Salvador, while Costa Rica play at home to Honduras. Both games are starting at 8:05 Jamaica time. At 9:05, Canada, who are lying third, will entertain Mexico, who occupy second at the moment.